So let us see how we can create a fashion product. So a fashion product is a variable product because it has different size variations. So this is the dashboard for the fashion vendor, and now we'll go to products and say add new. So here is the product, men blossom leaf shirt. So we are going to add this. So I have just copied the title. Now I will enter the title here. So anything you would like to make the changes for the product title, you can do it here. Here is the description, but for this product, since we do not have the description available, we are leaving it as blank. So as I said, this is going to be a variable product. So we need to select this as a variable product. So from here, we can select the tax on the product. So the tax class I'm assuming to be 18%. So it has to be selected as GST 18. So in the inventory, you will see that the SKU is already created. So we are having a auto SKU system. So you need not do anything for the stock management here because we are dealing with a variable product. So let us not get into the shipping and other things, get on to the attributes. So here we are going to select the sizes for the product, and from the drop down, so I am in the attributes section, and from the drop down I will say size, and I will click on the add button. So here it will ask you which of the sizes you need to uh, make it available for the customer. So here I'm selecting all because I want all the sizes available for the customer. So I will just select all, and I will say used for variations and visible on the product page. So I will select both of this and say save. So I'll just save it again to ensure that the sizes are created, and I will now click on the variations. So here we will actually create the variable products, and we will key in the information for each of the variable product. So I am on the variations tab here on the variations tab, and from the drop down I will select create variations from all attributes, and I will say go. So it will ask me, are you sure you want to link all variations? This will create a new variation for each and every possible combination of variation attributes. So I will say yes, because I want to create the variable products for this shirt. So it says four variations are added. So I will say okay, and now you will see that four different variable products are available now. So from this drop down, if I click, I will see these are the information related to this L size of the product. So since we are going to manage the stock for each and every size, I will say manage stock also. So if I don't enable it, you won't see any stock management areas for this product. But if I enable it, immediately you will see the low stock threshold is opened here. So I will enter the product price as 699, I will have to select the quantity. So the quantity for me for L size is 40. And here you will see the low stock threshold is there. So I have enabled it for minimum 5. So once we reach the 5 threshold, it will shoot an email to the admin. So that is all for the first variable. Here you can add a different image if you have an image specifically for the L size. So let us get on to M size now, and I will say manage stock, and the price is going to be the same, 699. Stock, I'm having it as 40, and rest all I need not make any changes. So here also I will say manage stock, regular price 699, stock quantity 10, I will say for the extra large I will say manage stock. Now the price 699, quantity is 10. Now we are done with the variable product prices and the stock management. Now let us see if we have to add few details on the right side also. So on the right side you need to select the product category. So it is already selected as fashion because I am in the fashion vendor window. So here we can add a few tags. So I will say fashion. So if I type FA, it picks up the tag, and from here I can select the product image. So let me check. This is the image for the product. So I have already uploaded the images, so I can just go and select the image. Great. So this is the main image, and if you have any gallery images or multiple images for the product, you can select it from here. So I think we are done with the first product, and I will just save it. So it is now published. So you can also save it as draft. So let us view this product, and on the top you will see the product is published, and we can right click and view the product. So here the product is